Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys. But today we want to give you a lovely dish. This one which we want to give you today is stir-fried chicken served with Pak Choi and egg noodle. It's gonna be fantastic, and I know you guys are gonna love this one, and I know you guys are gonna subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for so far donate to the channel. We got a lot of things coming out. We got a brand new studio coming out, and also we got the cookbook online. There's a 50% off. And I want to say thank you so much for watching my cooking show. We got a lot more stuff coming your way. See you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. But anyway, today we want to make you a nice, lovely, simple recipe. Here, this is the way it's gonna go. Right here, I got some diced chicken inside of this bowl right here. And basically, I have 2 packs of Pak Choi, and I got some spring onion, and right here I have some garlic, and also some peppers and white onion. Let's go into business. First thing which we're gonna do is put a little bit of pepper on the chicken like that. And next thing, little bit of paprika. So we're gonna serve Pak Choi chicken, Pak Choi stir-fried chicken served with Chinese noodle. And some chicken season. Nice and lovely. Then we're gonna get the garlic, fine dice garlic, put on top of it 2 cloves of garlic right here. And basically I want to simply say to you guys that the garlic do work really well, to be honest. It's just fantastic, to do some stir fry. And honestly, it's just amazing recipe. Stir fry Pak Choi with chicken served with noodle. So basically I'm gonna be showing you how you can do that part. So right there, as you can see, I'm just cutting up my spring onion, put it right on top of it like that. So that's just some pepper. So basically what we want to do, we want to get the pepper also cut up. The reason why I want to get it cut up because it the Pak Choi is very, very easy to cook, and we don't want to get it too complicated. So basically what I'm doing at the moment is just simple. We're just gonna simple stir fry everything together. The Pak Choi, but the chicken, we're gonna do the chicken first. So this is the white onion. Let's cut into half. That's the way it goes. Lovely. So right there, this is the chicken right here. So we're gonna simply bake. The first thing what we're gonna do is get this in the frying pan. Alright? Nice and lovely. This is the Pak Choi. So in the meantime, the chicken, just let the chicken go on getting ready at the moment. Simple. Cut the Pak Choi like this. And like this, what we're gonna do, we're gonna wash them off. Is to get them washed off first. This is one of the main things which you wanna do with your Pak Choi. I know you guys gonna love this. You know the reason why? Everyone loves Pak Choi, even myself. I love my Pak Choi. Then basically what we're gonna do is simple as cut it up like this. The chicken part I'm using is the chicken breast. So, very easy to cook, guys, to be honest. Nice and lovely. So that's the Pak Choi right here. Nice one. Little bit of pepper of Pak Choi. And that's it. So right now, let's show you how we're gonna do it. Nice and lovely. So guys, sorry about the Chinese noodle. We are only find egg noodle, which is fine. So I'm gonna use some egg noodle with it. Alright? So basically, 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil or olive oil. Right over here I have my pot with some water in it where I'm gonna stir fry my chicken. But to be honest, I have my stove on already with the pot, so about 2 seconds. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna throw everything in it like this. Give it a lovely stir. So we're gonna stir fry this off, the chicken, for about 10 minutes the least. How the chicken look. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add the Pak Choi. And now I'm gonna put some sweet chili sauce in it. Roughly one nice good 4 tablespoons. So this one is gonna be Pak Choi, stir fry Pak Choi with chicken served with egg noodle. Really nice recipe, guys, to be honest. You can give it a go at home. Really nice. So we're gonna make this cook for about 145 minutes. Nice and lovely. So guys, this is how it look like. So now this is finished, and now I'm gonna share it out. I'll make you guys see exactly what I'm talking about. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel, and please leave your comments. Stir fried chicken with Pak Choi served with egg noodle. Really nice and beautiful. The best part of the chicken to use is the breast. Can't go wrong with the breast, guys. Alright? So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much as I share it out. Nice and lovely, guys. As you can see, the way it look, really rich and nice. Stir fried chicken with Pak Choi served with egg noodle. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments and see you next time. Bye bye. This doesn't take long, roughly about 25 minutes everything take. Enjoy the recipe. See you next time. Bye bye.